Today we'll discuss the limit problem of ratio of two functions. So the question is how to find the limit of ratio of two functions. Let's you have the function of the form f of x is equal g of x h of x, and suppose it's given that limit x tends to a, g of x is equal L, and limit x tends to a, h of x is equal m. Then this implies limit x tends to a, f of x is equal L over m, provided m is not equal 0. In this tutorial, we'll consider those problems in which m is equal 0. Let's start example. So we have here example 1. This example will consider the most easy function. So limit x tends to minus 3 x square minus 9 over x plus 3. So in this case you will see that the denominator is coming 0. So how we'll solve this problem? So we have to use the factor method to solve such problems. So this is equal limit x tends to minus 3. We'll use a square minus b square is equal a plus b, a minus b. So this can be written as x plus 3 x minus 3 over x plus 3. Now x plus 3 cancel out, then you will have here this is equal limit x tends to minus 3 x minus 3, and in this case the minus 3 is equal minus 6. So this is the solution. Limit x tends to 0, x square minus 4x plus 4 multiply by x over x to the power 4 plus 5 x to the power 3 minus 14 x square, coming 0 over 0 form. So to solve this we need to do factors. Limit x tends to 0, already x outside, so it's x, and x square minus 4x plus 4, this can be written as x minus 2 x minus 2 square plus 5x minus 14 x square plus 7x minus 2x minus 14, so it will be x square x plus 7 and x minus 2. So we have here x minus 2 will cancel out, then you will have, so you have here x and x square. So this one x will cancel out. So we'll have here now limit x tends to 0, x minus 2 over x and x plus 7. But still, after all simplification, we see that there is an x. So therefore, the limit does not exist. Limit does not. Our next question is limit y tends to b. First, we'll see the factor of the denominator. So y to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, which can be written as y square whole square minus b square whole square. So which will be by a square minus b square formula. So y square plus b square and y square minus b square. So we can write y square minus b square and y square minus b square. This will cancel out. So what we will get it here? This is equal limit y tends to be 1 over y square, which is equal 1 over 2 b square. Next question is limit k tends to 0, x plus k whole square minus x square over k plus k square. X plus k whole square is equal x square plus 2xk plus k square. So this is one method we can do that. So this is equal limit k tends to 0. We can write it here x square plus 2xk plus k square minus x square over k. So x square and x square cancel out. We have here this is equal limit k tends to 0, k 2x plus k over k. So this k and k cancel out. So you have here limit k tends to 0, 2x plus k. So answer is equal to x. This is one method. So method 1. Method 2. In this case, we'll use x plus k whole square minus x square. So this is a square minus b square. So a plus b x plus k plus x and x plus k minus x. So this is equal to x plus k multiply k. Limit k tends to 0, k 2x plus k over k. K, k, con. This will gives you limit k tends to 0, 2x plus k